Hello fellow plant lovers and welcome to my channel Plant Lovers Diary. To all our subscribers, I would like to say thank you so much for all your support by liking, commenting, and sharing our gardening videos to others. If you are not yet a subscriber, you may click the subscribe button below so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. For today's video, I will be discussing about lemongrass or Tanglad in Tagalog. This is what lemongrass looks like. On the first part of the video, I will be discussing the health benefits of lemongrass, and on the second part, I will be showing you the simple way on how to grow lemongrass in your garden or on your backyard. So please watch until the end of the video. Okay, here's the top 8 health benefits of lemongrass based on my research. If you want to see my reference websites, I put it on the description of the video below. Number 1, it helps lower cholesterol. Based on the medicalnewstoday.com article, according to an article in the Journal of Advanced Pharmaceutical Technology and Research, consuming lemongrass extracts appear to lower cholesterol in animals. The study notes that the reaction is dose dependent. This means that larger quantities of lemongrass might lower cholesterol further. Number 2, it may treat infection. According to organicfacts.net, lemongrass works as an antiseptic and is effective in treating infections such as ringworm, sores, athlete's foot, scabies, and urinary tract infections because of its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Studies have shown that the herb exerts healing effects on dermatological infections, such as yeast infections, by inhibiting the growth of pathogens. Number 3, it is good for digestion. According to food.ndtv.com, lemongrass has a cooling energy which helps to soothe your stomach and keeps your digestive functions in check. It contains a component called citral that helps to digest food. Therefore, it is mostly served after dinner. It has been used as an ancient remedy for all stomach problems in Chinese medicine, like bloating, constipation, or indigestion. Number 4, it may help in losing weight. According to organicfacts.net, as with the previous article, lemongrass contains citral, which has been shown to be effective against obesity. It lessens the accumulation of abdominal fat and promotes the use of stored energy, which helps in preventing diet-induced weight gain. It aids in healthy metabolism and enhances the oxidation of fatty acids in the body. Number 5, it may relieve pain. According to organicfacts.net, lemongrass is effective in relieving the pain and discomfort caused by rheumatism. It can be applied topically on both lumbago and sprains and helps in relieving neuralgia. Number 6, it has antioxidants. According to food.ndtv.com, lemongrass tea is your detox tea. It is packed with antioxidants that help in detoxing and cleansing you from within. It helps in removal of toxins from the body by relieving fluid retention. Number 7, it is good for the skin. According to organicfacts.net, lemongrass has been treasured as a skin tonic and makes an effective cleanser for oily or acne-prone skin due to its astringent and antiseptic qualities. It helps in strengthening the skin tissues and toning up the pores while also sterilizing them. Care should be taken while using lemongrass products as the undiluted application might lead to dermal irritation in some cases. Number 8, it regulates high blood pressure. According to food.ndtv.com, lemongrass is nature's formula for taming high blood pressure. It is rich in potassium, which increases the production of urine in our body, which in turn stimulates blood circulation and lowers blood pressure. By increasing blood circulation, it also helps in purifying the liver. Lemongrass is also known to limit cholesterol absorption from the intestine, thus promoting overall heart health. These are the top 8 health benefits of lemongrass that I picked from different websites that I used as reference. If you want to see the full list and the whole article, please visit the website links below. If you want to use lemongrass, please do your own research and consult a doctor first so that you can prevent possible allergies or side effects. I'm only basing my top 8 list on the research that I made. Now, for the second part of the video, I will be showing you how we grow lemongrass in our mini farm. Let's go! Growing lemongrass is really simple, so I will be just showing you how we do it. This is where we will get the lemongrass that we will regrow. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please comment below and please continue to like and share our gardening videos. Thank you!